All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about none other than the broader market. I know you guys enjoy these updates a lot. Crazy, positive feedback from you guys. So continue supporting, and you will continue to see these broader market updates. So a lot of things to talk about what's happening with the space. I'm sure a lot of people are completely confused, but if you've been paying attention to the overall updates, you guys know I was anticipating these drops for Bitcoin, and it actually did end up happening. But the question is, are we out of the woods? Because if you're looking at Coin, if you're looking at a lot of coins right now across the board, you are seeing a lot of green across the board. So is this the reversal? So let's talk about it. Before we do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking across the market, we did see Saturday start off on a really positive note, especially to any one of you who was accumulating the bloodbath. And I know on the Crypto ZX channel, a lot of the viewers were dollar cost averaging in. The people that missed out and saw these March highs got that opportunity once again to reaccumulate a lot of coins that dropped about 50, 60, some even 70%. And the craziest thing is, literally in just 2 days, some people were able to make a staggering 40 to 50% gains, depending on which coin you have picked. And that is insane. So if you were one of those, give yourself a pat on the back. That is very exciting. But the question, of course, is this the end, and are we about to see a reversal happening for the broader market? Not so fast. We have a lot of things to discuss, but first and foremost, I want to talk about what you guys, the viewers, think. So of course, 2 days ago I asked you guys, what coins are you buying during the bloodbath? 1,800 votes have come in, and of course Solana came at the top, Kaspa at number 2, and of course a lot of people left their personal opinions on some other coins that are obviously not listed on this list. So if you want to take part of these polls, do hit that bell icon so you guys don't miss any updates that I make, of course, and if you don't miss any of these community posts, so you guys know what exactly is happening. And I usually do engage quite a bit on these community posts, so do hit that bell icon below so you can be notified whenever that happens. But anyhow, you can see a lot of accumulation definitely happening based off of the comments as well. A lot of people are accumulating some coins that they kind of felt like they missed out on. And now if we're looking at the fear and greed index, the fear and greed index is still in the fear zone. Of course, we are coming into a little bit of excitement, especially Saturday morning when you saw a lot of coins going back into the green. Bitcoin had a great day. But what exactly happened? So if you have been in this space, or if you're in crypto Twitter, you guys know that Mt. Gox, especially if you're an OG, guys, shout out to my OG supporters, anyone that has been in this crypto space from literally the beginning. Mt. Gox, one of the biggest exchange that was hacked, and a lot of coins were stolen. And of course, now Mt. Gox, the creditors. So the creditors are the people that actually owned Bitcoin or some sort of assets that were on the platform that obviously lost it. Mt. Gox is going to start paying back to some of these creditors. And remember, Mt. Gox does not have a small amount of Bitcoin right now. We're talking about billions and billions of dollars. So that, let alone news, is going to have a lot of fear for the market, especially for within the future market. You guys know what whales do. They know how to run this market. They know how to take advantage of the news. And we saw massive amounts of liquidations occurring over the past few days. And on top of that, due to this Mt. Gox, potential, or a dump. And again, you want to look at it from this perspective. So the people that owned Bitcoin back when Mt. Gox was hacked, guess what? Their Bitcoin, the ones that they're going to get paid back now, the ones that are actually eligible, I don't know how the eligible process works, but the ones that are eligible, their Bitcoin is worth substantially larger compared to back then. And some owned quite a bit. So imagine how much these people have made, in terms of just the gains. And some are lucky. This will never have. It's not always, a guarantee that you'll get your money back. So this is why you never want to store your coins on a centralized exchange. I cannot stress this enough. But on top of that, what happened was the Germany government also started moving Bitcoin leading up to this Mt. Gox test. If you guys know, on July 4th there was a test. I think it was about $30. They tested to see if everything is going to go as planned, and of course that led to a lot of uncertainty. And boom, we saw the price lose its 23.6 fib zone support line, and I actually saw it go below that. But look at this. So in a surprising reversal, the German government, so going back to Germany government, they have been selling Bitcoin, but guess what they did? Guess what they have done? They have literally sold Bitcoin and used a lot of people as exit liquidity, and they dumped their bags, and guess what? Now they're back and purchasing their Bitcoin at a cheaper price, and you can see that's exactly what we saw happening. So in a surprising reversal, the German government, known for the recent large-scale Bitcoin sell-offs, has just bought back a significant amount of the BTC. Data from Arkham Intelligence reveals a purchase of 1915 BTC worth 111.5 million from major exchanges Kraken, Bitstamp, and Coinbase. This move comes after weeks of high-profile Bitcoin sales by the German government, which had sparked market volatility and raised questions about their crypto strategy. The sudden buyback has ignited speculation and renewed optimism among Bitcoin investors worldwide. But not so fast, not so fast. Remember, as I've said to you before, the major whales, these numbers that we're looking at with the government picking up 111 million, these OG whales that run the crypto show, even Wall Street doesn't have a chance. This number is teeny tiny for these big players. So before everyone starts getting excited, the market's about to reverse, yay, these whales can come out and in a snap of a finger, boom, shake out longs once again. So not so fast. We still need to get confirmation. So whether you're holding Solana, whatever coin may be, you want to be paying attention to this. So dominance went up about 55%. If you watched my Pepe update at that time, it was around 54.5%. But you could see this for yourself. Bitcoin did make its way back into the 23.6 fib zone, but that was a clear rejection. So we're going to see how Bitcoin reacts tomorrow. Of course, it's still in a weekend. On the weekends, we do tend to see more manipulation due to CME futures being closed, but obviously we need to get that confirmation. First step is to obviously get back in the 23.6 fib zone and then break past the psychological 60K. But the confirmation that I'm waiting for is a $65,000 price point before I start getting excited. So as of now, in conclusion, still there is a chance that we do retest the 53,600 price point, or potentially even lower if we do not close back into the 23.6 fib zone. Really, really important to know that. But again, my own personal opinion. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.